of 15 students running a race are recorded below. We need to draw a box plot for this information. So the first things that we need to do is work out our 5 key values, and we need to start off by our median. Remember, the median is worked out by the formula n plus 1 over 2. In this case, it mentions that 15 students are here, so we have to do 15 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So we know the 8th value is the median of our set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The median is 60. Now we need to work out our lower quartile. And the way we do this is the formula n plus 1 divided by 4. So we know that 15 plus by 1 over 4 is equal to 4. So we know the 4th value is our lower quartile, which is going to be 55. Now looking at our upper quartile, we have to times 4 by 3. So let me explain this a bit better. We have to do n plus 1 over 4 times by 3, because this tells us 75% into the data set. And this is going to give us our 12th value. So our upper quartile is 64. Now our lower bound, which is the lowest value in our set, is 52, and our upper bound is 75. So now we have all this information, we can definitely draw our box plot. So first of all, starting here, I'm going to draw my 52 right here. And be careful with the scales, guys, because each square is worth half a second. So 52 looks like that. Now drawing my lower quartile, I have 55 coming up here. My median is going to come here, and my upper quartile is going to come about here. Okay, now looking at our upper bound, we have 75 here. So now we're going to draw in our box plot. And that is our completed diagram. Okay, moving on to the next question. We are told that the table shows some information, and we need to draw a box plot about it. So we're told the minimum is 9, so I'm going to draw that in right here. Then our lower quartile is 15, so I'm going to draw that in right here. And our median is 19, so that's going to be about here. And our upper quartile is 31, which is going to be here. And our maximum value is 43, which is going to be here. So the trick with these questions is to make sure you know the scale behind the graph and the graph paper. Okay, so now the box plot below shows the distribution of the math scores of students in class B. We need to compare the distributions of math scores between the two classes. So when we're comparing the distribution, so this statement here, compare the distribution, we're first looking at median. We can see that the median in class B is higher than class A, which tells us on average B performed better in the exam. Second point, we need to look at interquartile range, which tells us that class B had a lower interquartile range, so our value of Q1 and Q3 is smaller in class B. This tells us data is more consistent and scores are less spread. Because as you can see, most of the data, so 25% to 75% of the data, is in a closer range. Therefore, the scores are less spread out. Okay, that's going to conclude today's video on exam style questions for box plots. As always, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.